The wild's peaceful call, a distant sound from every sacred piece of ground, a whisper on the rushing stream, a part of our forgotten and dream. Oh, the wild's peaceful call, a simple plea to let your true spirit free, to leave the worries all behind and find in the solace of the mind. But here you are, a part of a team. The land will hold you safe and tight and fill your soul with purest light. Oh, a peaceful call, a simple plea to let your true spirit free, to leave the worries all behind and find the solace of the mind. So walk in silence, walk with grace, and find your true and rightful place. The land will guide you on your way, from peaceful dusk to hopeful day. Listen close and you will hear the call that helps to conquer fear. Ancient stones upon the hill are always quiet, always still. But when the wind begins to blow, they share the secrets that they know. Oh, the stones of the Glens, they tell a tale of honest hearts that won't turn frail, of promises they've made to keep, of buried secrets buried deep. They speak of spirits strong and old, with stories made of truth and gold. They tell of journeys long and true, and all the grace that waits for you. Oh, the stones of the Glens, they tell a tale of honest hearts that won't turn frail, of promises they've made to keep, of buried secrets buried deep. So lay your hand upon the prey and let their wisdom light your way. They'll guide you through the fog and mist and seal it with a peaceful kiss. Their silent words, so clear and true, are a healing gift from them to you. The forest breeze, a gentle sigh beneath the vast and watchful sky. The trees stand guard with arms outstretched, a peaceful message they have fetched. Oh, the whispering forest, soft and deep, a promise that the land will keep. It takes my hand and lights my way and welcomes me at the close of day. The ancient roots beneath the ground make a calming, peaceful sound. They ground the spirit, calm the mind, and leave the restless world behind. Oh, the whispering forest, soft and deep, a promise that the land will keep. It takes my hand and lights my way and welcomes me at the close of day. So strong, a faith so true, a path made clear for me and you. In this deep silence I will find the peace that helps my heart unwind. The wild wind embraces me so tight, a powerful and loving might. It sings a story strong and bold, a truth that's older than the old. Oh, the wild wind's loving grace, it blows the worries breeze from my face. It lifts me up and makes me strong. Where I have felt I don't belong, it sweeps across the Irish shore and carries wisdom to my core. A message from the rolling green, the purest spirit I have seen. Oh, the wild wind's loving grace, it blows the worries from my face. It lifts me up and makes me strong. Where I have felt I don't belong, I face the world with open hands, supported by these ancient lands. The wind is wild, the wind is free, and so my spirit wants to be. So let it rush and let it blow, a new and healing way to go. The crow on high, a silhouette, the quietest message I have met. It sits upon a lonely stone and makes the spirit feel its own. Oh, the crow's quiet, simple plea, a truth that sets my spirit free. It tells me things are what they are, and I don't have to look so far. It calls to me a simple sound while standing on this hallowed ground. It brings a wisdom sharp and deep, a promise that the land will keep. Oh, the crow's quiet, simple plea, truth that sets my spirit free. It tells me things are what they are, and I don't have to look so there is no need to understand, just feel the solace of this land. The crow sees all and all it knows, and with its simple wisdom grows. So listen close simple truths that conquer fear. A shepherd's star, a lonely gleaming, guiding home a waking dream. Across the fields of rolling green, the quietest soul I've ever seen. Oh, the stars light so small and frail, a hope to carry on the trail. It keeps the dark and doubt at bay, and leads me home at the end of the day. The gentle moonlight on the sheep, a promise that the land will keep. Their soft steps on the ancient sod connect me to the will of God. Oh, the stars light so small and frail, a hope to carry on the trail. It keeps the dark and doubt at bay, and leads me home at the end of the day. The cold wind bites, the night is long, but in my heart I feel so strong. The star shows me where to go, to let the healing spirit grow. So if you're lost and can't see clear, just look for a fading star and have no fear. The piper plays, but he's not there. Just an echo on the misty air. A mournful start, a joyful end, a message that the Spirit sent. Oh, the pipers echo clear and high, reflecting in my inner eye. It speaks of journeys long and true, and brings a brand new grace to you. It dances through the glens and walls, and opens up forgotten doors to memories of a golden age. the pipers echo clear and high, reflecting in my inner eye. It speaks of journeys long and true, and brings a brand new grace to your tired soul can find its rest upon the mossy ancient crest. The song will guide you all the way until the coming of the day. Music swells, the heart is free, for all the world, for you and me. The golden pools upon a welcome sight outside the door. Its thorny branches sharp and bright, a symbol of the coming light. Oh, the golden bloom, it shines so high beneath the vast and open sky. It fills the air with scents of grace and brings a smile to a weary face. Its prickly arms are there to hold a heart that's feeling weak and old. It stands with courage strong and true, a lesson there for me and you. Oh, the golden bloom, it shines so high beneath the vast and open sky. It fills the air with scents of grace and brings a smile to a weary face. Though life may scratch and make you bleed, the gorse will plant a hopeful seed. It shows that beauty can be found on weary, troubled ground. So walk with grace and find your worth in the golden bloom upon the earth. The moon hangs high, a silver shield above chase the lonely thoughts away. Oh, beneath the moonlit stone, I am here but not alone. A quiet strength, a knowing grace in this peaceful and a holy place. The ancient stone, so cold and still, holds secrets on the lonely hill. But when the moonlight hits the rock, I feel my heart begin to knock. Oh, beneath the moonlit stone, I'm here but not alone. A quiet strength, a knowing grace in this peaceful and a holy place. They tell a story old and true of all the love that waits for you. They'll be your anchor, be your guide, with nowhere left for pain to hide. So lay your hand upon the grave and let it lead you on your way. A healing well, so deep and still, is hidden on a lonely hill. Its waters whisper, soft and low, of secrets from long ago. Oh, the healing was quietly a cleansing one for you and me. It washes sorrows all away and makes a brand new hopeful day. The mossy stones are cool and green, a purer place never seen. It holds the starlight, holds the rain, and understands a heart in pain. Oh, the just